to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. Bienvenidos a la familia. Today we are doing a really exciting unboxing and review. I got a very special package from Dragun Beauty. Like, it's so cute. It has a picture of Nikita, of course. There is some money that says the United House of Dragon, and in the back on the top it says, "In Pussy Stunt we trust." And of course, like, hella cute. It's just like these little details that I think matter when sending packaging and all that. A picture of her, but like, did we expect any less? No. And then it says on the back, she wrote a little note: "Hi Dragons, fire, heart, fantasy. I poured my heart and soul into these products, and I want to thank you for joining me in this fantasy. Breathe fire. XOXO Nikita." I ordered the dragon egg. Look at how cute this is. Like, my very own egg. So cute. So inside it has the dragon heart face transforming powder, and then also the skin perfecting potion. And I'm really excited to try this. I love using correctors on other people. I've had people who got like surgery or major enhancements done on their face right before their weddings, and they still have a little scarring. So orange correctors are always like my best friend for that. I can't wait to use and tell you guys how I like it and all that good stuff, but so excited for this. I already have just a little eyeshadow on, a little eyeshadow, brows. I have my moisturizer and all that on already. Like, look at how cute. I almost, like, when she was launching this, I thought it was a lip gloss for the longest time. I was like, that's a lip gloss. But I'm really glad she came out with something other than a lip product first, because I feel like everybody's done that. We're gonna try it on, see how it works. I'm kind of right in the middle. I'm not like super light, but I'm not super dark. I'm right in the middle. So I feel like I'm a really good judge. I feel like it'll work a little bit better on darker skin tones, but since I am right in the middle, I just want to make sure that it works for lighter tones also. And I do get dark under eyes. I get a little red right in here, and I also get a little darker right here. So sometimes if, let's say, something fits my cheeks really well, then I have to make sure it works on my chin too, because if not, it can go a little gray. So I think for that, we will like this. So I've seen some other people using this, and they said just use a little bit at a time and really blend it. So that's what we're gonna do. I feel like it's blending out a lot. You really got to blend it out fast though, because I can already tell part of it is drying. Maybe I used too much. I was so excited to use it that I think I used too much. But hey, you learn. I could have used like a little drop. I'm going a little bit around my nose. Down. We are going to use my foundation, which is the light beige in the Peach Perfect. And I'm going to be using a Morphe sponge to apply it, and just kind of press it on. So right now I'm just doing a little bit at a time. I feel like I could still see orange. Like, where it's lighter, it's not bad. I don't think it's gonna work for lighter people, in my honest opinion. Unless they literally use a microscope of a tiny bit, you know? because I feel like you can still see some of that there. So I usually just use one pump all over my face, but I think I'm gonna need more full coverage to make sure everything's like covered. Yeah, I think I might be too light for this. I don't know. I don't mind looking warmer, but I don't want to look like a Cheeto, you know? I might just put a little concealer over it. I feel like if my concealer that it was really heavy duty covers it, it might be okay. It dried down really, really fast, which is good. If you don't want the product underneath to move around, I'm gonna go in with my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and the color that I use is CW04. See, if it's like this, I can handle that. I think maybe I just used too much on my chin, because this is like such full coverage here. I don't mind that. It's like I'm lightweight orange there, so. And then I'm just going back in. I want to ask my husband, because he never lies. He'll be like, what's up with your face? You know? He'll be like, why is your neck a different color today? He'll clown me. If my makeup is off by a little bit, he's gonna be like, you need to go fix that. Or he'll tell me, you know? Because he don't want me out here looking a fool. Okay, see, like under here, I like that. Because I feel like it looks really like full coverage. And I don't see orange there. I think maybe I really, like I did put too much down here. Because I like how that looks now. Like with the concealer on top. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to use the Transformation Face Powder. So one side is more pink, which I take is for a little bit lighter skin tone. And the other side is more yellow. Here. So the pink opal here and yellow topaz down here. I'm probably going to mix the two together. The top and bottom. The only thing I'm like, do I set first? Because I feel like I'm not sure if I should set my foundation first. Ooh, I got a nice little glow already. I just used a little bit. I washed my brushes last night, but I feel like they're still a little damp. I feel like it's skipping a little. That glow, honey. I want you guys to peek at it a little closer. Yeah, I would probably use more of the yellow. The yellow is not as shimmery. It's weird. It's like it doesn't look like it's really shimmery like when you're looking at it, but it does give a little nice glow underneath when you're up close. So it is very deceiving. You know, I feel like usually those products that are really glowy will show it on top, but this one doesn't. But I like the brightness that it's giving me. Like, hello. I'm gonna do a little bit underneath my... We just want to like shine, you know? Okay, I'm like feeling this now. I'm just doing a little bit in between, like on my nose, top of my lip, chin, anywhere that I would really highlight, that's where I'm putting it. And I didn't really set my face. I don't really feel like I need to. Dude, I really like that. So I'm using for my bronzer and all of that, the Be a Light. Sorry, it's like, I'm using the Be a Light from Becca Cosmetics. So inside of this, it has a bronzer, a blush, also a brightening powder. So that's what I would usually use under here, but I feel like that one's a little bit more shimmery than this one. And then also it has like a blurring powder. This one here is the brightening one that I usually use. So it's you can see it looks a little bit more like shimmery. And then this is the blurring powder. And I'm just going to use the bronzer and the blush. We're going to use this one here. And just using the blush. And the blush does have a little bit of a highlight. I want ultimate glow. We are glowing here. Glowing. I love the little detail also in there. It's pressed, but it also has like a little heart design. It's like cut out, so it gives it a little texture, and I like that. And that it comes with a mirror, because most of these don't have a mirror, and sometimes I forget mine and I just like have to be using my phone. So I am gonna go and do my lashes and my lipstick off camera. Put on a little bit of this MAC lipstick. It is called Beetroot, and it's a really violet-y color. And then I did a little lash. Just kidding, not little, big, but I feel like everything else was so simple that we had to glam it up a little bit. So this is our look. I am gonna ask real quick, because I want an opinion, if he notices anything different, or we'll see. Look at me. Does my foundation look okay? Does my face look okay? Can you tell anything different?
No.
So it looks okay?
Yeah.
Because I used the corrector and it's like orangey. Do you feel like I look orange at all?
No, see, Ellie's coming in.
Well, there we have it. Feel like I just added way too much in the beginning, and you need to work like fast. You need to be able to blend it on. So maybe putting it all over your face is not a good idea. I think just working in certain spots and then blending that, and then it'll dry down like so fast. So I think that's the only thing that I would change. But I love how it looks under my eyes. It just made it look brighter, took away my dark circles. And I love the powder also. I can't wait to see how it looks in pictures, if we get any flashback or anything like that. But I love, it's a glow, but it's not like I slapped highlighter on my face glow. So if you guys like videos like this reviewing product, let me know. Anything else that you want to see from me. I love doing videos like this. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, and make sure you're subscribed. Hit that bell so you get a notification every time I upload something new, and I'll see you guys in my next one.